अटेंशन नेटवर्क मार्केटर्स, आपके पास सिर्फ 10 दिन है। जिस टाइम पे मैं ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, आज है 21 अक्टूबर। सिर्फ 10 दिन के अंदर एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग ऑफर आप लोगों का ख़त्म होने वाला है। व्हाट इज़ दैट अमेजिंग ऑफर? इमेजिन करिए कि मैं आपके लिए एक प्रोडक्ट बनाऊँ, डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट, ओके, जिसको आप सेल करो। इट कैन बी अ टेम्पलेट, इट कैन बी अ कोर्स, इट कैन बी एनी डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट जो कि मैंने बनाया आपके लिए, और आप इसको सेल कर रहे हो और यू कीप इंटायर, जो भी सेल्स हो रहा है उसका इंटायर कमीशन आपको जाएगा। इमेजिन करिए कि मैं उसको सेल करने के लिए लैंडिंग पेज मैं बना रहा हूँ, लीड मैग्नेट मैं बना रहा हूँ, सेल्स पेज मैं बना रहा हूँ, और इवन ईमेल, जो नर्चरिंग ईमेल, जो ईमेल्स होते हैं वो ईमेल भी मैं ही लिख रहा हूँ। इसको बोलते हैं इन्फो प्रोडक्ट फनल। बीइंग अ नेटवर्क मार्केटर, हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, कंटेंट बनाते हैं, एक कुछ फ्री भी देते हैं, उसके बाद फिर हम उसको एक्सपोजर देते हैं। बट एडवांस मोड में क्या होता है कि आप कंटेंट बना रहे हो, कोई चीज़ उसको फ्री में दे रहे हो, लीड कैप्चर कर रहे हो, और लीड कैप्चर करने के बाद नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग बताने से पहले आप उसको एक प्रोडक्ट पिच कर रहे हो। वो प्रोडक्ट जो कि सिर्फ 200 से 500 रुपये तक का है, जिसको लेने के लिए उसके माइंड में कोई रेजिस्टेंस ना हो, वो प्रोडक्ट वो खरीद रहा है। उसके बाद फिर आप उसको बोल रहे हो अप्लाई टू वर्क विद मी। नाउ दिस इज नोन एज इन्फो प्रोडक्ट फनल, जो कि एडवांस लेवल ऑफ फनल है। तो अगर आप चाहते हो कि ये पूरा इन्फो प्रोडक्ट फनल मैं आपके लिए बनाऊं, मतलब मेरे पास एक टीम है, मैं अकेले नहीं बनाऊंगा। आई हैव अ टीम ऑफ 3 डिजिटल मार्केटर्स। सो अगर आप चाहते हो कि हमारी एजेंसी को इसको करना चाहते हो, तो ये एक चीज़ है जो कि 31 अक्टूबर तक ही मैंने इसको वैलिड रखा हुआ है। और ऑलरेडी हमारे पास 11-12 ऑलरेडी क्लाइंट्स हैं। वी आर टेकिंग ओनली 15 पीपल इन दिस मंथ, ओके। 31 अक्टूबर के बाद ये चीज़ अभी इस टाइम पे ये दिस इज़ 19,700 तो क्रिस्टल क्लियर मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ प्राइस। और 31 अक्टूबर के बाद अगर आप इस वीडियो को देख रहे हो, उसके बाद यही चीज़ हो जाएगी, इसका प्राइस हो जाएगा 50,000 रुपीज़। DNA क्लब डिजिटल नेटवर्क अकेडमी जो मेरा है, ओके, उसके अंदर देर आर कोर्सेज। एक है DNA गोल्ड 7,999 का, एक है DNA प्लेटिनम एडवांस लेवल ऑटोमेशन विच इज़ 20,000 रुपीज़ इन सेम थिंग, ओके। नाउ इन्फो प्रोडक्ट फनल जो मैं आपको ये बता रहा हूँ, तीसरी चीज़ क्या है, दैट इज़ DNA एजेंसी। DNA एजेंसी के लिए वी चार्ज अराउंड 50,000 रुपीज़, 50,000 रुपये हम लोग चार्ज करते हैं अभी इस वक्त जो रेट है 21 अक्टूबर। सो अगर आप इन्फो प्रोडक्ट फनल लेना चाहते हो तो प्लैटिनम का जो प्राइस है 20,000 रुपये, 19,700, उसी के अंदर हम लोग आपके लिए ये पूरा फनल बना सकते हैं। सो मेक श्योर अगर आप चाहते हो, क्योंकि आज के टाइम में थोड़ा बहुत कई सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो ये बोलते हैं मैंने बहुत सारे कोर्सेज ले लिए, ये सब चीज़ें कर लिए, बट कोई क्यों ना मेरे लिए ये सब चीज़ें करके दे दे। इसको बोलते हैं डन फॉर यू सर्विस। इसकी ज़रा जानकारी के लिए आप इस वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा एंड तक। और मैं चाहता हूँ आपको बस इन्फॉर्म करना कि आपके पास सिर्फ 10 दिन है। डोंट मिस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी। इस वीडियो के नीचे जो भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में सेक्शन में जो भी चीज़ें हैं, जो भी लिंक्स हैं, उसको ओपन करिएगा एंड बुक योर स्लॉट। So info products funnel, this is basically designing a funnel for network marketing business. This is a super profitable business, MLM business funnel, where you generate traffic, you pitch your lead magnet first, then you have one-time offer 1, one-time offer 2. If he says yes, you have a proper strategy defined. If he says no, you have a strategy defined. Even if he says no to the second offer, still you have a strategy to nurture, and finally then again follow up through emails. This is known as passive follow-up, okay. So just imagine that your prospect pays you before watching your business presentation. That is all about info products funnel, okay. Again, super advanced MLM funnel, and this is the next big thing, okay. Got it? So you might be thinking about some questions. Number one question can be in your mind that I don't have audience. You have a good audience, you have a YouTube channel, you can do it, but I don't have any audience influence. Don't worry, I am going to solve this problem also. You might be thinking, I don't know what digital product to create. You might be thinking, okay, I don't know how to create digital product, what digital product, who is my target audience, all those kind of things. Don't worry. You might be thinking, I'm not technical, I don't have tools knowledge. Don't worry about it. You might be thinking, I don't know payment gateways and funnel tool integration, okay, how to integrate automatic payment and all those things, okay. You don't know about this, no worries. What if, just imagine, what if I create this funnel for you? I am not offering any course, okay. Just imagine, what if I create this entire funnel which is working for me? I want to give this entire system to you. Not only give, I will implement this entire system for you. What if I do this for you? Would you be interested to know more? Just type yes, okay. Next is, what if I create a digital product for you? I create a digital product. Just imagine, even you don't have to create a digital product which you have to sell. Say for example, I create it for you, understanding your target audience. I create a digital product for you, and then you own it. I will not take any commission margin from that. I create it, you own it. What if I create a lead magnet, landing page and sales page for you? All the technical stuff is handled by me. And what if I write emails for your prospect? Okay, automated emails, even if he says no to everything, automated emails to nurture them and again pitch your one-time offer or you pitch your mini digital product. Okay, I write emails for you. And what if I integrate payment gateways with your funnel builder tool? What if all these things are handled by me? Just imagine the second point. I create a digital product. Okay, this is one thing for which people take so much of time, they procrastinate. Okay, so all these things, if I handle for you, would you be interested to get this from me? Just type I'm interested. This is worth rupees 1 lakh because this demands effort from my end. I have a team of digital marketers. We are expert in network marketing. I've created a team and we are expert in this. We have all the resources, we have all the knowledge and everything. Okay, we are expert in this. And this is worth rupees 1 lakh. This knowledge, this entire thing, I can give this entirety to you worth 1 lakh rupees because this can save lots and lots of time, effort and money for you. Got it? And this can make so much of money for you. Now, as I told you, in just 2 days, I was able to generate money, okay, around 14,000 rupees in just 2 days, and 100% passively, I made 1,38,000, 100% passively, no active sales, not pushing anyone, just by watching this one-time offer, I got 1.38 lakh sales, and cost to acquire a customer for me is absolutely zero. Okay, so just imagine you build a super profitable MLM business, making money from prospects before actually pitching your business. And here is the step-by-step, okay, step-by-step thing. If you pitch a free lead magnet, you suppose you get only 100 downloads, free lead magnet, okay. Out of those, only 10 people, suppose only 10% people they buy your this mini offer. We suppose if we create a good quality sales page for you, good quality landing page for you, this ratio can also increase. I mean, we are expert in copywriting also. Okay, and suppose 10 out of 100 people buy, and suppose it is 299, 399, 499 rupees mini offer, and after that, then you pitch your MLM business. 100 people download it, 10 people buy this, and 1% join MLM business out of 10. Suppose, so this is a very good funnel. Okay, you're making money from MLM, you're making money from this mini offer also. Okay, so by implementing this, definitely you can make 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees every month if you implement this correctly. Okay, again I repeat, what if I create this funnel for you? Again I repeat, you don't have to create this funnel. You might have this these kind of objections, okay, resistances, I don't know all these things, okay, this is too technical, all these things. Okay, let me create funnel for you, let me create a digital product for you, for your customers. Okay, I will create it and you will own it. I create lead magnet, landing page, sales page, I write emails, and I integrate payment gateways. All these things will be done by our team. Okay, again I repeat, traffic, lead magnet, sales page 1, sales page 2, payment, Calendly, okay, integration, and automated emails. This entire funnel. Also, I want to give you some extra bonuses. If you want to take this service, this is not a course, this is a service. If you want to take this service, then I will give you access to my DNA Gold bundle. Okay, this is a collection of some high quality courses. These are recorded courses. You can watch it anytime with a lifetime access. How to recruit people through webinar, digital coach blueprint, MLM system setup challenge, affiliate income blueprint, how to make money through some affiliate programs also along with network marketing business, MLM product retailing workshop, how to retail your MLM products online without convincing anybody, 24/7 support system through our private Facebook group, DNA partner program. You can make money by promoting DNA club also, at least 50%, up to 50% commission, content marketing mastery, how to create content which can actually generate lots and lots of sales and leads, and also lead generation mastery system. So this entire bundle you are going to get, this is worth rupees 1.25. I'm going to give you this absolutely free as a bonus if you take this info product funnel service from me. Okay, bonus number 2, I have an advanced level of I have advanced course also. I call it DNA Platinum, where you will get access to my recorded course on MLM automation by building funnels, MLM e-learning system for your team. Suppose you have a good team, then how to create an e-learning system. I give you all the tips and tricks. Okay, personal branding, duplication in network marketing, and automation without paid tool. But this automation without paid tool is basically using Google Sites, which I have now discontinued. So let's forget about it. So all these things also, this premium level course access also you will get. Okay, so monthly we do monthly meetup with all the platinum members. This is advanced level of building business. This is worth rupees 1.8 lakh. I'm going to give this also absolutely free as a bonus if you take this service. Okay. Also, I will take your interview. If you take our service of info product funnel, okay, it demands so much of time effort from our side, but from your side it is going to be a great solution, because these days many people are not interested to learn these technical things. People are interested to that somebody do it for them. So if we implement all these things for you, then I will take your interview and I am going to promote your digital product on my YouTube channel and my podcast. Okay, so podcast and YouTube, I'm going to take your interview and I'm going to promote your digital product so that you generate sales very fast. Okay, next is I'm also going to give you another bonus, that is I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to use Kajabi. I use tool called Kajabi. You might be thinking which tool to use, how much is the investment for the tool. I'm going to give you a tutorial how to use Kajabi for free. Okay, it demands some monthly investment, but see, Kajabi is free for me. Okay, how? Because I have a proper system. I do some affiliate marketing for Kajabi, because of which I'm not actually investing money on Kajabi. Even I'm making money through Kajabi. Okay, and these things go in parallel with my network marketing business. My main business is network marketing, but this is through info product funnel. I'm making money from multiple sources. Okay, so I'm going to give you a tutorial on how this funnel building tool can be free for you. This is super bonus for you. Okay, so now info product funnel investment, let's talk straight to the point. 5 days. If you take this service, we are going to create all these things for you in just 5 days. And the cost right now, the cost is 19,700 one-time payment. Okay, and today when I am sharing this information with you, okay, so today is basically 7th of October. Today is 7th of October, and this offer is valid only till 30th of October. Till 30th of October. I'm not sure when you are watching this video, but if you're watching this video after 30th of October, I cannot guarantee that this price will be there, because this demands lots of time, effort from our side. So that's why initially we are going to take only first 10 people. So 30th October or first 10 people, whatever reach first, we are going to stop this, because we will not be able to handle more clients. Okay, so this is a done for you service where we will build this entire funnel for you. We will create product for you. We will do all these things, funnels, emails, landing page, sales page, we will write for you. Okay, and also you will get instant access to DNA Gold and Platinum if you pay 19,700. This is a one-time payment. Got it? So very clearly I have displayed everything, shared everything with you, but you don't have to pay 19,700 at one go. I'm going to give you excellent opportunity. Click on the link in this video description and you can just pay 2,000 right now, just to book yourself. Okay, if we get 10 bookings, okay, if we get 15 bookings, after getting 15 bookings, now what will happen next? Just pay 2,000 rupees so that we can understand that you have booked this. After paying 2,000 rupees, then okay, so let me again share this in a proper flow. Right now you are getting information about info product funnel through my YouTube video. You pay booking amount of 2,000 right now, okay, by clicking on the link below. Then next, what will happen? If you pay 2,000 rupees, I will give you my Calendly link so that you can book a one-to-one meeting with me. So I will do a one-to-one meeting with you. And in this one-to-one meeting, you can ask all your questions related to info product funnel. You can ask all kind of whatever kind of question you have. And after having this one-to-one meeting, if you decide to go ahead with info product funnel, then you can pay the remaining balance of 17,700 and we will instantly give you access to DNA courses, one-to-one meeting, whatever I have promised. We will give you all these things instantly. And after 5 days, then we will set up this funnel for you and we will go live after 5 days. But after this one-to-one meeting, there might be a scenario that you will say, no, this is not for me. I don't want to go ahead with this funnel. In that case, if you say no, in that case, I will give you access to DNA mini course bundle. Okay, I'm not going to refund you money. Very clearly, I want to tell you, booking amount is 2,000 rupees. If you, after this one-to-one meeting, if you decide no, if you decide not to go with the funnel setup service, in that case, I will give you my mini courses bundle, which is worth value 25,993. I'm going to give you this these are mini courses. This is not DNA Gold. DNA Gold membership has much more quality stuff. Okay, this is also again quality. So you will, I will give you access to YouTube marketing for network marketing, how to generate leads, okay, lead generation, product detailing, Quora marketing, and webinar recruitment formula. So I give this at a very special offer at 2595 sometimes. But if you book this with 2,000 rupees, I will give you this entire bundle at 2,000 rupees with your booking amount. Got it? So there is nothing to lose for you. Okay, whether you will say yes, then also good. Whether you say no, then also you will get access to all these things with lifetime access. Got it? So this is how you have to go about it. This offer is valid till 30th of October 2021 only, for first 10 people only. And after that, after, if you're watching this video after 30th of October, I cannot guarantee you the price, because definitely my aim is to, because we are giving lots and lots of value here, and my aim is to take this product, okay, take this service to at least 1 lakh rupees product. Okay, so definitely I'm going to charge more, because I'm going to give you more value. And if I'm able to help you to create a funnel which can give you which can generate so much of money for you, definitely if you're getting value in terms of money, then definitely I'm going to charge you more and more. But right now it is only 19,700, valid only till 30th of October. Click on the link below this video description and book it now by just paying 2,000 rupees before 30th of October, or if you're in, and also first 10 people. Okay, so just hurry up, do this now, book your slot by just paying 2,000, and book a one-to-one meeting with me after that. Okay, so all the best, and book your seat for this info product funnel. See you then. Thank you.